After the courtesy call to the chief and the warm welcome from him and the final go ahead to go and speak with the elders, we finally proceed for a meeting with the village elders under a tree. For normal meetings, when you're meeting with the elders, usually we get approximately 10 village elders, but this time they came almost 30 elders, and that was a great turn up. Elders are the main custodians of culture, and as much as the chief has a voice, the elders have a stronger voice, and they give you the final permission whether you'll proceed to the village or not. For previous meetings, we've seen the elders pray for us, which is their role, to open the meeting with a prayer and to close with a prayer. And in all our 2 years of implementation, we've never had the elders bless us. But in this particular visit, apart from the normal prayers for opening the meetings and closing the meetings, the elders blessed the entire team. And that was great. And there was a final comment that they said that we are always welcome anytime, and we are free to go to any part of the village because we are now brothers and sisters. And that was a confirmation that we are free to interact with the entire community.